So my guys, I'm taking you through Mbale Garage. Some big place. I'll just show you some simple parts that I'm passing through. These are the small lockups around. The place is closed. It's a weekend and most of them have gone for prayers, I think. And some of them have rested for today. These are the shops where they store some of the tools they use. But the work is always done from outside, along the road. Most of them have their stores inside here. You might think it's a ghetto, but these are stores for the garage, for the mechanics. So it's a small corridor. You have to give space for your colleagues to pass. So this is the outside part where most of the work is done. So along the road, that's where vehicles park because there's so much space to do the repairs. As you can see around. This section is for motorcycles. So depending on what you have, these guys give you the best service. So we'll come and visit. Some welding as well. Some welding as well.
Kitegeeza nti osibu
So let's meet in the next video, guys. That's the simple side that I managed to get for you.